Hi guys, this is Irfan from ThriveServe. In this tutorial, we'll print a factorial of a number. Suppose number is equals to 5. Number equals to 5. We will print for any number. We will print the factorial for any number. But initially, I am considering that my number is 5. I am printing the factorial of a number. What is the concept? In the factorial, it will start by 1 and it will give the output by multiplying every digit till the number. Suppose I need the factorial of 5, so the value should be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That will be the result. In our case, what I am doing is I am going to apply the loop for and initializing by 1 and factorial I am initializing by 1. Suppose this is my factorial. Initially factorial is 1 and assigning this factorial and running my loop, initializing my value factorial and running the loop, repeating it. We will start by 1, we will start multiplying by 1, because if we will multiply 1 by 1, there will be no any difference in the result. So if we will initialize by 0, then our result will be 0. That's why we are not initializing by 0 in this case. We are initializing by 1. The factorial is also 1 and we are initializing the value of I also by 1, because we need to print the multiplication, and we will move till the number, not less than. This time till the number, less than equals to number. So 1 into factorial, that is I equals to 1 into factorial. I into factorial, that is 1 into factorial. This is factorial. What I have done is I have written in the reverse. You can multiply 3 into 2 or 2 into 3, the result is same. So for making to be easy, what I am doing is factorial into I. So this is the value of factorial, first one, and this is the value of I. Initially my the value of factorial is 1, the factorial 1 into the value of I is also 1 into 1. In the second time the value of I equals to 2 and the value of factorial is 1 into 2, that is value of factorial is 2. And the third time the value of I will be 3 and the value of factorial will be 2 into factorial into I equals to new factorial, and factorial into I equals to new factorial, and the last, this is our final factorial, and at the last we will print it. SOP factorial. Finally we will print it. Move to the editor, new Java project, factorial. Go to the src folder, new, create a class, say factorial. Now we will take the input by user. The scanner, s equals to new scanner system dot in int num equals to sc dot next int. Now close the scanner. start a loop. Est- Now before starting the loop, we should initialize factorial. Int fact equals to 1. Int I equals to 1, I less than equals to num, I plus plus fact equals to fact multiplied by I. This will give the factorial, and at last once we will achieve the factorial, we will print at the last. So factorial is, I am giving the message, factorial is plus fact. We print string inside the double quote, and if we need to add the variable with a string, so we can concatenate using plus operator. So that's it. Please check it, right click, run as Java application, put the input. Suppose I am giving the input 3, so the result should be 6. 3, our factorial is 6. Next time I am giving input 5, so our result should be 120. Here is the result. So our program is working fine. That's it for now.